Recording your Android TV box screen is useful for creating tutorials, capturing content, or sharing experiences. Here's how to do it. 1. Verify device compatibility. Not all Android TV boxes support native screen recording. Models like the NVIDIA Shield TV include this feature. If your device doesn't support it, you can use third-party applications. 2. Enable developer options. Go to Settings and GT, About. Select build number multiple times until the developer mode is activated. 3. Activate USB debugging. Return to Settings and GT, Developer Options. Enable USB debugging. 4. Connect your Android TV box to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. This is essential for establishing a connection between the devices. 5. Obtain the IP address of your Android TV box. Find it in Settings and GT, Network and AMP, Internet and GT, Wi-Fi and GT, Network details. 6. Set up ADB on your computer. ADB Android Debug Bridge is a tool that allows communication between your computer and the Android device. Download and install ADB on your PC. Open a command prompt and navigate to the ADB folder. 7. Connect your computer to the Android TV box via ADB. In the command prompt, enter ADB Connect, IP address of your Android TV box. For example, ADB Connect 192.168.1.100. 8. Start screen recording. To begin recording, execute ADB shell screen record /card/video.mp4. This starts recording and saves the file as video.mp4 in your Android TV box's internal storage. 9. Stop the recording. To end the recording, press Ctrl+C in the command prompt. 10. Access the video file. Use a file explorer on your Android TV box to locate video.mp4 in the /card/ folder. Note, this method may not capture internal audio.